Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited Sahara in granite crystal metallic. With LED reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, black 3-piece hardtop, tubular side steps, LED tail lamps, driver's seat height adjuster, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 27,000 miles on the odometer, 6.5-inch touchscreen display, navigation, remote start system, command track shift on the fly part-time 4-wheel drive, rear 60/40 folding seats, rear compartment covered storage, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number PS5888.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.